All right, let's go, fellas. In this round, we've doubled the points. Top 6 answers on the board. Name a noise an animal makes. Moo.
Woof. Woof.
No. Ow, 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 ow. That's a bark, baby. Bark.
Let's go.
Sami,
yes.
Name a noise an animal makes.
Meh.
Hey, Sammy. Sammy, I ain't hear you.
Meh. This survey is fake.
Dino.
What's up, Steve?
Give me a noise that an animal makes.
Meow.
One more time, Dino.
Meow.
That's a great answer, Dino.
The little sick cat, meow.
I love that cat, man.
Young folk, I love that cat. Yeah,
that cat,
boy. Young folk, hey, man, make a noise that an animal makes.
It's in there, it's up there. It's up there. It's up there.
One more time. Obviously, I haven't been in Africa that long. Something is happening here. I have no... What is this?
That's a chicken, man. That's a chicken.
That's a sick-ass chicken. You don't want to eat this chicken. You eat this chicken, that's salmonella. All right, hello, man. Good job, fellas. One strike. Name a noise that an animal makes.
A bird. Bird tweets.
What did you just do? When a girl walked by?
No, that's the sound a bird makes.
Or sound a bird makes?
Yes. Yes. Close. That's the bird part. Not in Ghana. Our birds are different.
Okay, well, we got different birds. Damn it, that's a bird. The sound that a bird makes. All right, we got 2 strikes, Sami. We gotta be careful, man. The other family can steal. Give me a noise that an animal makes. You know what that is?
Good answer. It's up there.
The reason we are in this mess that we are in today was because of a snake. Wasn't that snake, we'd have been okay. Snake slithered right on up and talked to that girl. God, dog. We wouldn't be having no problems. We'd be in the garden eating, chilling. Everybody have money, plenty to eat, boats. But oh no, here come that snake. Dino, listen to me. We got 2 strikes, so we have to be careful here. If it's not there, the other family can steal, okay? Name a noise that an animal makes.
I'm not doing it again.
No.
Can't do it. No,
Dino. Hey, Dino, see, look, man.
What's up?
See, what you did was you didn't like the first part, but you enjoyed the second part. Yeah, see, that's the part you want to do. But you didn't. You wanted to do that, and then you hurry up and got to the. So let's do the whole thing again. Put them together, Dino. Let's go. Name a noise that an animal makes.
Dog.
That's mosquito.
That's a mosquito.
Yeah, mosquito.
Dog. Come on, dog. You mosquito.
6. How y'all missed that, man? The whole world comes here to see that.
Yes.
There is no wildlife like on the continent of Africa. There's no place like it on earth. I don't care where you go. You cannot see what you see here. Roar, the lion, king of the jungle. You come to Africa, this is the real deal. Yeah. Well, I need both families' attention right now because this is our last round and both of you have everything to play for because this is it. No matter what the score right now, this will decide. Whoever gets the answer and wins the points at the end of this round will be playing for the jackpot of $5,000. As it sits, Gene Yaume family 58, Six Maludo family 227. So let's get it on. Give me Leo, give me Sami. I need them right there, man.
I got you, bro.
I need that right there.
I got you.
That's player. Top 5 answers on the board. In this round, point values have been triple. This will decide the game. Here we go. Name something a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
A lunchbox.
Lunchbox.
We're playing. Come on.
We're playing. Let's go, baby. You got it. Dino.
Yes, sir.
Name something a 6-year-old would take on the first day of school.
Pencil, Steve.
Pencil. Young folk.
Yep.
Name something a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
They'll take their school bags.
Take their school
Let's
bag.
go, boy. Let's go, boy. Good answer. Good answer.
And name something that a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
Change of clothes.
A change of clothes. So when they pee on themselves, a change of clothes. He's going to pee on himself. Only one strike, Sammy. We are rolling. Name something a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
A book.
A book.
Show you, baby. Show you. Show you, Dino. For the money. For the money, Dino.
Dino.
For the money, Dino.
Here's the situation, man. There's only one answer left, one answer only. You only have one strike. If it's there, your team wins the game, your team will be playing for $5,000. If it's not there, you're still alive, only one strike. Dino, name something a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
I'd say money, Steve.
You got to have money. You got to have money. Young folk, 2 strikes. Let's go. Name something a 6-year-old would take on their first day of school.
They might take a toy.
Take. For the win, a toy.
Come on.
Great family, y'all played good, man. Y'all played really good. Y'all played really good. Hope y'all had a good time. Well, listen, you played well, you won't go away empty-handed. You walk away with $290. Well done. All right, fellas, I need 2 of you. Come on, man, I got you. I'll take care of that, don't worry about that. I got Yalko, I got Dino. We gonna play fast money, $5,000. Me and the fellas, right after this, yeah.